Clean and green Pakistan. As Qaidazam said, it is only with united efforts and faith in our destiny that we shall be able to translate the Pakistan of our dreams into reality. The dream of clean Pakistan will come true inshallah. By doing some efforts, we can create a big difference. Throwing trash in bins, not wasting foods, not using extra energy are small things to do. Polythene bags should be replaced by paper bags. It seems to be an ordinary step but can be very effective for clearing land pollution. Polythene bags are very harmful. They cannot be recycled, so we must ban its usage. The biodegradable waste, which can be decomposed in the soil, such as leftover food items, peel of fruits and vegetables, and non biodegradable wastes, such as plastic and glass, should be thrown separately. Burial land for animals must be arranged. Solar and wind energy should be used, which do not produce greenhouse gas emission. Pakistan's photovoltaic power station in Bahawalpur, Qaidazam solar park of 100 megawatt is working, so nothing is impossible. Plants are backbone of all life on earth, the most essential source for human beings. We have to plant at least one tree of our behalf, and it can be more if we can afford. We decorate our homes with different materials. Why not we prefer plants?